we were talking about some murder ballads.
That's right.
Yeah. And so you have one called Rose Connolly.
Yes, this one is Rose Connolly. Sometimes it's called Down in the Willow Garden, but it's a bit of a standard for traditional musicians where I'm from, in Beech Mountain, North Carolina. Down in the willow garden, my love and I did meet. And while we sat a courtin, my love fell off asleep. I had a bottle of Burgundy wine, my love she did not know. And there I poisoned my own true love down on the banks below. I drew a dagger through her, it was a bloody night. I tossed her into the river, it was a bloody sight. My daddy always told me that money would set me free if I would murder that dear little girl whose name was Rose Connolly. And now he sits in his cabin door, a-wiping his tear-dimmed eyes, while his only son stands upon the gallows high. My race is run beneath the sun, and hell is waiting for me, because I murdered that poor little girl whose name was Rose Connolly.
The other song, the other murder ballad then, Pretty Polly, is quite similar to this one that Frank Harte I was telling you about. It's very close to it. It has that narrative again. I'll sing a little bit of it.
Oh, that'd be lovely.
Oh, in Dublin's fair city, in Dublin's fair town, in Dublin's fair city, there dwelt a Miss Brown, and she courted a sailor for 7 long years, and from the beginning he called her his dear. Then one morning very early, all by the break of day, he came to her cottage, and to her did say, "Rise up, lovely Mary, and come along with me. Strange things they will happen, and strange sights we will see." Well, he took her o'er mountain, and he took her over dell, and they heard through the morning the sound of a bell. All over the ocean, all over the sea, ye fair take warning from me. Oh sailor, come spare me my life. When out of his pocket he drew a sharp knife, and he ripped her and tore her and cut her in three. And he laid his poor Mary underneath a green tree. Oh, it's green grows the laurel, and red rose grows the rose, and the raven will follow wherever he goes, and a cloud will hang over this murderer's head. He will never rest easy now that Mary is dead.
It's funny, those are always so beautiful.
Beautiful songs.
Beautiful,
Lovely.
beautiful.
And I was saying to you about the unusual thing in that air, that the 3 lines in every verse are the same melody, and like it just makes it really ominous, I think, in the first place, and just really powerful, you know?
Yes. Wow. It's a gorgeous one.